Namaste, I'm Sunneet, and I want to make a video on skincare routine for aging and mature skin. Also with aging people, a lot of ladies suffer with pigmentation issues due to hormonal changes. So what can we do about it? First of all, I want you to stop using soap on your face. Daily use of soap is drying for the skin, so please do not use soap daily. If you have to, use it not more than once or twice a week, otherwise avoid it please. You have to follow cleansing, toning and moisturizing for your skin. So that is 3 steps, and the steps remain the same, but for different age groups or for different skin ailments, what you use for cleansing, toning and moisturizing, that changes. So for aging and mature skin, cleansing can happen with an oil cleansing blend. This blend can be made with rosehip and sea buckthorn oils. Both these oils are very nourishing. You could also add a little bit of evening primrose oil to this blend, and use this to massage your face on a daily basis. And after the massage, put a hot towel on your face, and this will cleanse all the toxins that are inside the skin. The pores will open up with the hot towel, and then you can wipe off all the dirt with the wet towel itself after it cools down. The second step is toning. Toning happens with a hydrosol. For aging skin, the best hydrosols are sandalwood and Ylang Ylang. So you can either buy them individually or a combination of the two, and use this to spritz on the face. This would tone your skin and close the pores after the cleansing. And the third step is moisturizing. Moisturizing can happen with an oil-based serum or hyaluronic acid face serum. In oil-based serums, you can go in for the mature skin serum or Kumkumadi face oil or glow serum, or dry skin serum, any of these. And or if you want a water-based serum, if your skin is not so dry and you're more towards normal or oily side, then you can go in for hyaluronic acid face serum, which boosts collagen production on your skin. And at bedtime, I would want you to do belly button oiling, and you can do this daily with pure rosehip oil. That is very good, very beneficial for aging skin. If you do this CTM process daily in the morning and belly button oiling daily at night, I guarantee visible results, improvements in skin texture within a month. So do try these out and let me know how it went for you. Bye.